Okay. Alright. I think, oh, Jose is already here. Well then. Let me just finish linking everything and I'm set to go. Okay. Here we go. Alright. I think I'm ready. Man, I am exhausted. I got up way too early this morning. I need to turn this down. Still kind of loud, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. Okay. Enough procrastinating. I need to get this guy to move. I've been thinking. Well, no, I haven't. That's a lie. I just. I didn't get a whole lot of time to like read through the documentation, so I might just do that a little bit here. I'm exhausted as all hell. I got up at like 6:30 this morning, and I'm dying, but I don't want to miss another one of these. I just don't. So the idea here is that I need to get this logic running. And right now, my current idea is I need to put this target index, this sequence right here, or this task. I'm thinking I need to convert it into a service. That way, it's just called every frame and it's constantly switching. And I don't even think I need to call it every frame, to be honest, but well, we'll see. Let's break things, huh? Let's just break everything. Let's do it. Just break stuff. If you're willing to come with me on this journey, I want to be entertaining to you, and there's nothing more entertaining than watching me fail miserably. So we're going to do that. So first I need to override a new function here. Let's see, search start AI. No, actually I don't need to do that one. I need to override activation. upon cast as enemy, and then I need to get well. Okay, let's override on yet another function. Actually, that is the function I need to overwrite. But I don't need to do the thing I wanted to do. I'm tired. I'm sorry. Okay. And now I need to remember. I need to remember how it was that I was. Yes. Lock target array. Okay. Oh, it's because robot enemy is the thing I need to cast it to. And now I can call the lock target array. Whew, okay. Then I need to get a get. Or no. I am insane. Oh, I got work at 5 a.m. so later. Thanks for stopping in, John. Appreciate it. Yeah, I am insane, but I'll deal. I'm just gonna do this. Thanks, man. Thanks for the support, bro. I'll get this done, whether I like it or not. Okay, I'm gonna get, and then I'm gonna length. I'm gonna minus. Right, because length minus 1. Right? And then I do a random integer in range. And then I'm gonna get the location. And then we're going to set as vector, and then I'm going to pull this in, and then throw this in there, and then this in there, and then Uh, on reference. Oops. I'm going to make this, I'm going to collapse this into a function. And say add index. Right. And then I'm going to start timer. Set timer by function name. Set this to looping. And then I'm going to copy the name, put that in here. Get location, and then move to target point. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. I think that actually worked. That actually freaking worked. It actually freaking worked. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I thought that was gonna take all night. Oh man. Oh. He's just going between all of those points. Oh my god, you guys have no idea how happy this makes me. I can't believe that worked. I came up with that on the fly. Oh man. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now. Oh. And he's doing it at random. Oh. He's sticking in his area. He's sticking in his area. Oh my gosh. Man. The interesting thing is it's still printing the same index, but I don't really care. Well, I mean, that doesn't even matter because it's not even doing this by tick anymore. So therefore, I don't need on receive tick. I've got my handy timer. Ready for beta phase. I need to have this guy attacking me now. That's the next challenge. Oh, I'm happy as can be. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Okay, so it doesn't actually rely on this time. It relies on this time, which I will set to 1. Okay. I am uber happy right now. I can't believe that worked. I'm so used to this stuff never working out in my favor every time I try something new. Oh, this is so cool. Sorry. I need to turn down the audio for that noise. That noise is pretty nasty. Where did I put that noise? Oh, it's right there. Where is Pai-chan? Oh, man. Fighting games. I am at some point going to make a code library for fighting games so I can make one easily or easier than it would be. I gotta concentrate on one thing at a time. Let's just try this. Okay, it's not so loud. And you're not gonna like be hitting boxes like in succession like that. Yeah, I know, my bad. I'll stop doing that. Capcom presents. Yeah. Oh, I'm so proud of myself right now. Stop messing with the boxes. I'm going to because basically now I just need to have him attack the player. And so in order to do that, I need to I'm gonna need to get the player's distance at all times. Okay. Let's see if I can go for a twofer here. Can I pull out another function out of my butt that's going to work on the first try? I have my doubts, but crazier things have happened. And I just feel a little crazy right now. If this works, I'm gonna go buy a lottery ticket, man. Seriously, the odds of me like pulling some, like in the state that I am, the odds of me pulling something like that out of my butt is just like ridiculous. It was against me. It was in the negatives. I would have lost 100% except for that 0.5%. Okay. What was I doing? Oops. Player. Hold on. Okay. So I'm gonna do a trace. It is a line trace for objects. And object types, I'm going to make this an array, and it's just going to be pawn. We're only looking for the player. Location. So I'm basically just telling it to draw a line from the robot to the player, right? And that line's going to give me a few bits of information. It's going to give me distance. It's going to give me my type, which is going to be pawn. Everybody's being noisy right now, of course, because I'm streaming. So it's just not going to even acknowledge any of the noise happening in the background. So as it draws this line, it's going to give me several bits of information. Several bits of information that I'm going to need, right? But first, I've got to tell it explicitly because the player is the player itself. This guy, he's an object, and programmatically he's an object, and he's the type of object he is called a pawn. But also, the robot is called a pawn, and I'm just telling it to search for pawns. But it's possible that it can hit itself and say, "Oh, I got a correct result." So I have to explicitly tell it, "I want you to search for pawns, but not yourself." And for every pawn that I would put in the game potentially that I don't want it to search for, I would have to add it to the list. Right now, I only have to add itself because that's the only other pawn I've got. So I'm going to break this out. I'm going to make this a function, by the way. Let's see, blackboard key. set value as float, and that float is going to be distance. Distance. So that's basically what I needed this for, honestly. If I collapse this into a function, it should, let's see. The distance. Self-ref2. Oh wait, no. Control pawn 2. Pawn 3. Right? That's what that's going to. Yes. Okay. Doesn't matter because this is always going to be in tick. Okay. So I've got distance. So now I will always have distance. Distance needs to be an exposed variable. I need to expose those variables. Just keep exposing. Okay. Okay. So now that I have distance, what am I going to do with it? I'm going to use it. I'm going to compare. Let's see. I don't. Is that the only compare it does? Equal to or not equal to? That's kind of. I was counting on it doing more. I mean, I could always do my only. Okay, let's see. Okay. I'm gonna have to do a new decorator. Let's see. Distance check. Okay. Function. Perform condition check. Get key value. No, that's not it. Blackboard. Get blackboard key. Or blackboard value as a float. Ah. Okay, and we're gonna do a branch. We're gonna say, is this value less than or equal to oh, let's pull a number out of our butt. I'm gonna draw a line. I'm just gonna draw it just to make sure that we are checking. Oh wait, I don't need a branch. I just need the actual statement. Well, distance for one. Target point index. Oh well. Not drawing a line like I need him to. Even is this even working? Line trace for objects. Maybe we do for duration. There it is. There it is. Okay. So you see that he's like he's basically scanning my position constantly. And this is like, this isn't every frame. This is actually every other frame. That's why I wasn't drawing correctly. And basically what he's constantly checking for is my distance to him. Right? So... but now what I can do with this information, see, and I've made a check. So what I can do with this information is... I can now check if this is true. Distance. Now I'm going to move to, actually, move directly toward oh wait, no. Person character. And then I need to set this Blackboard value as object. To variable player ref. So let's move directly toward player ref. So I'm going to move directly toward player ref. Then I'm going to play animation, and this I'm going to do another check. Is that location player ref? And here we go. And then wait 2 seconds. Okay. So what I'm counting on this to do, and I don't have very high hopes that this is going to work, but it should run this sequence of moving around. and it's going to check if I'm at a certain distance. If I'm not, it's going to keep running this sequence, but if I am, it should move directly toward me, try to attack me, and then wait. Let's see how this works. It's not very interested in me. Let's see what it's doing. So it's never getting out of that sequence. So let's do an inverse check. Well, shit. I mean, it's running. Let's just see what this does. Nope. Oh man. Oh, whoa. 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 It's working. It's working. It's working. He's trying to attack me. I gotta fix his logic, but he's definitely trying to attack me. That's right, Jose. This is how Terminator starts. Gotta fix its logic. Okay. I can't believe this works. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, so this logic is flawed in a way. So, I don't need this. Do I just need to inverse this? That would be a little weird, but... Okay. So my logic is sound. Kind of. How many can I put? Probably a good amount, I would say. I don't know, like, I don't want to test my limits right now because I don't want to put my computer through that, but the scripting on this guy isn't actually so taxing. It's mainly just, the resolution on him, which his resolution isn't, oh god, the resolution isn't actually that bad, considering. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Oops. Is it this? Hmm. Okay, I gotta kind of mess with this logic. Hmm. Okay, so if I'm like close enough, maybe 200 is not as far as I'm thinking it is. So let's do 500. Okay, that's better. So he'll come try to get me once, go back to a target point, and then check again. But then go back to a target point once he waits. So basically, he's every other time I run, every other time I hit a junction point in the tree, he does what I want, which is way cool. But I have to basically have him constantly checking this. So a decorator might not be the best choice here. Let me see what this looks like when it fails downward. Okay. Okay. I understand now what the logic is doing. Let's see. Oops. So selector nodes execute their children from left to right and will stop executing the children when one of their children succeeds. When one of their children succeeds. If the selector child succeeds, the selector succeeds. If all selector children fail, the selector will fail. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I think this is what I need. So he should be hunky-dory over there by himself, walking around. And then once I run up on him, he should then get interested in me. Nope. Okay, so now he's interested in me. Now he goes back to what he's doing. Okay, getting closer. I'm understanding what this means. So I believe I need to put this as another selector, probably. Should fail and go for me. Okay. And then still interested in me. Okay. I'm gonna need to make like a run state for him. Okay, so it works kind of the way that I want it to work. In that he patrols and then once you're in a certain range, he attacks. Now, it's not instant, and that's because it's running every other frame. Let me shorten that wait time. Okay, so shortening the wait time actually helps. Okay. Okay. Now, oh crap, I'm in range still. Actually, these crates are kind of in the way. Bad idea to have them on anyway. So, I think it's been about an hour. I think I might call it here. Let me think for a second on what I need. I would need a Boolean. Basically, I want him to turn and try to get me at any time instead of waiting for him to go to like a target point. Because right now, like, he's just like, once he goes to a target point, he has to walk. Like, even if I'm near him, he has to walk there. Right, so like, see right now he's walking and I'm near him. And like, he'll come after me. I mean, I don't know, maybe I can work with this. I just have to speed up a few things. See, like, if it picks, you know, one of the target points that's, like, far away from his current location, he has to, like, walk all the way over there. And, like, I'm, like, right here, you know, and I want him to, like, come after me. See? Now, he'll do it, though my wait time isn't that long. I don't know. I kind of like where he's at now. What I actually want to try to do is set him. Let's see. I kind of want to set him. Oh wait, you know what? That's not good. I will override. Um, you know I only listen to synth garbage. Here I was thinking it was too loud. Stay Necro. God. Oh man. Stay Necro. Wait, can I do this? No. Death Cargo. That'd be sick, and that would also be shocking. Yeah, just like that. It's like, did they just like open up E3, their E3 press conference, and it just says wow, and it's just like from the people that brought the '80s back, and it just shows some like quick shots of gameplay, and it's like comes a game, part horror, part uh, part fighting game. And it just shows like a montage of combos, and then at the end it just says Death Cargo, and then like underneath the tagline's like Stay Necro. And then like there's only like me, you, and one other guy. Yeah, the '80s are back, and then like it's just me, you, and then one other guy in the audience. It's like yeah, everybody's like silent. It's just like, what is this? Okay, let me BTD. Say walk speed. Function on execution start AI. Okay. This hopefully will work the way that I want it to. So the only change that I should expect is that like once he sees me, his walk speed will go to running, and then he'll just like come flailing after me. Nope, it didn't go flailing. Oh wait, it's because I didn't implement it in the stupid. Oh, set walk speed. Okay, so he should go flailing after me. Not doing anything. Interesting, that broke it. Okay. No, he is still not liking that. Am I gonna have to make it a task? I guess I'd have to make it a task then. But I don't think a decorator's gonna cut it. Okay. So we'll make it a task. Whoa. Okay, so Receive abort. I don't think that's going to do anything, so I'll just keep it the way it is. Oh, I saw Detective Pikachu today, and I really liked it. I feel like I should have brought that up at the top of the stream. But I thought, you know, there's no time like the present. I like how accurate and how respectful they were with the source material. Whoever made that movie absolutely played or read or researched Pokemon at like all levels. Like they knew their stuff when making that movie. Like plot wise, I mean, it was okay. Like it was, the beginning was slow, and then at the end, it kind of picked up pace, which the pacing was kind of uneven. But other than that, I mean, it was a cute little movie. All the Pokemon were like, you know, I thought looked really good. Just their designs and stuff when they brought them to real, and like all the references in there. Yeah, it totally had a plot. It was a nice little feel good little plot, but had a nice little twist at the end, and um, it yeah, I don't know, it was just like just the main things I really liked about it, because I wouldn't say it was like an amazing movie, but the main things I liked about it were the how close they stayed to the source material, like in ways where it was like, man, like they're pulling references from my childhood, like just like deep cuts, you know. But yeah, I enjoyed it. I mean, a good popcorn flick. Well, now somehow this broke it. I don't know how. Well, let's see. It receive, execute. I mean, let's see. Distance check. Um. Let's see. Let's try this. Wow. This somehow broke it. Wow. That, like, aggressively broke it. Why is that breaking it? So... it's just setting the speed. Set walk speed, right? Like, this is stopping it. Why? Well, it only needs to do that once, right? On receive execute. Oops. Um... Huh. I can't imagine that this is gonna be the right thing, but... when in doubt, try tick. Just gotta live dangerously sometimes. Sure, let's hit this calculation every frame. I want to see what it does. It's still getting caught up on that, huh? I don't get it. What is stopping this from doing thing? Let's see. I am at a friggin' loss. How would one set speed? Do I have to set it on the pawn itself? I must, right? I must have to. That would be the only other way I could think of to get this to work. I'm gonna do some hard coding magic here, and this is gonna be ugly. but I have to know. Let's just for instance hit it with this. And then I'll just do a cast for the kick in the teeth. Because, you know, at this point, I'm desperate, tired, and I just want this to work. This is actually mildly frustrating. Let's just, there it is. There it is. There he goes. Oh my god, he's after me. Now he's gone bonkers. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to do it in here. It's good to know. Okay, so now that I know that I can get it to work using that method, I don't feel so frustrated. I'm gonna have to make a state. A walk and run state. I'm just gonna have to perform a check. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Okay. I have a clear direction of how I want that to go. Make that steak. I know now what I need to do in order to get him to go from walk to run. Not gonna be as bad. Yes. Okay. So I just had to think that through when I'm sitting here staring off into space. Okay. So whatever. I got this to work the way I want it to, and I know how to make him run at me the way I want him to. But for all intents and purposes, he does what I kind of set him out to do. Which is fine. John motorcycle, never be seen again. I mean, if you do enough of this stuff all day, I mean, you kind of end up wondering what would it be like to go into a computer, you know? Just see are there worlds inside of a computer? Is that a possibility? But I wouldn't mind driving into the digital sunset on a motorcycle, a Tron cycle. Little ribbon behind me. I'd be the coolest kid in school. I'd be the coolest kid in 5th grade. Oh man. Anyway. I'm gonna call it quits because I'm tired. And I'm actually very proud of myself tonight, so I'm gonna go to bed, but I'm gonna try to be back on tomorrow. So thanks for watching again, Jose. You are a pal. I love you, man. And we will see you tomorrow. Peace out.